Hey there, it's Annie. Today I'm going to give you my honest review of these Aerotrunk compression bags. This is really great for packing, especially if you are looking to do a carry-on type of light travel, to pack the very most that you can possibly do with a carry-on. I seem to always overdo it, and this is a really great solution. This is made of a really nice nylon material, which feels really good. The quality is super durable. It looks really nice. It has this mesh front, so you can see through what you have in there. In this case, I have some heavy sweaters in this one, and I have some pajamas and things in this one. And you got a smaller one that you could put like socks and underwear and things like that. And then, of course, you've got a larger one as well. So that's four to work with, and they all fit in a small carry-on luggage, which is great for if you're trying to avoid having extra bags to have to check in, especially during the crazy holiday season. You just want to avoid that, right? Since I am a chronic overpacker, of course, I even overpacked this one. So I couldn't quite zip it all the way up, but that's my fault. I just wanted to see how far I could take this thing. I got most of it zipped around. It has a double zipper, and the zipper seems to be really, really strong and durable. I don't see this falling apart anytime soon. It's very smooth, as you can see when I'm like opening and closing it here. Let me show you how much I put in here. Big, huge sweater, a shirt, another shirt, and an entire skirt. One of my recommendations is I like to roll them up into like this. While these do a really great job on their own, keeping your clothes wrinkle-free during your travel days, one of the best tricks is to roll up all of your shirts and your sweaters and things to keep all the wrinkles out. These are really resilient. They're made tough to be able to handle the wear and tear that happens inevitably during travel. You should be able to pack 40% more than you normally would if you didn't use compression packing bags. Now, I know that some people are concerned about the extra weight that these might have. I'm going to measure these out for you so you can get an idea of what you're actually adding to your bag. Okay, so one other thing I want to say is, like, this is the largest one, and it might seem small, but really, when you are trying to pack light and do carry-on, for example, you don't want these to be really huge. These four will give you the maximum benefit on a normal carry-on size luggage item. And I'm going to give you a measurement in case you do want to check this in and you need to look at the weight. That's the smallest one. It's 3.9 ounces. This is the second to smallest one. That makes it 9.7. The next largest one, the total weight up to 12.6. Here's the largest one. We're looking at just over 15 ounces, 15.1 ounces roughly for all four of these compression packing bags. So all in all, I am really, really pleased with this, and I'm very excited to have this for my next trip. This one I actually did zip it all the way around with the double zipper. I think it's a really great product. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this